In this video, I'm going to show you how to add additional data points to an existing graph in Excel. Let's open an Excel document. This is a graph chart that I have taken as an example. You can see here that the graph shows data about the year and profit. Suppose you need to add the bonus data additionally to the graph. How do you do this? In the title bar, click on Chart Design. In the menu bar, click on Select Data. In the Legend Entries section, click on Add. In the Name section, select the name of your additional data. Delete the existing series values and select the value of your additional data. Click on OK and OK again. In the menu bar, click on Change Chart Type. In the left side menu, select Combo. Change the profit chart type to Line. Change the bonus chart type to anything other than Line. In my case, I will select Scatter. Click on OK. Here, you can see that we have successfully added additional data to the graph.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.